Okay, we are doing 151 in the May packet for the number of the day. Okay, so my number is 151. We have 1, and the Sanders needs to grab her tool. And here we go. So we have 1 in the hundreds place, big line down. Okay, we have a 5 in the tens place, and we have 1 in the ones place. One group of 100, one group of 100, 5 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place. One group of 100, and again, one group of 100, 5 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place. Now we're going to sing our one song. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. Oh, Annie, keep moving. Oh, Annie, keep moving. We'll all spell number 1. Oops, and there it went again. And little line down, up, bump over, in, E, little line across, little C. 100. Big line down, up to the middle, and down. U, little line down, curve back to the top and down. U. Thank you for following along right with me. N, little line down, up, bump over. Little line down, up, bump over, on, D, D. There's a C in the letter D, little line down, up, bump over, E, little line across, little C, D. There's a C in the D. 150. F, F, little line down, little dot, F, big line down, little, let's see if I can find a spot. I have to go from this side over. Y, 50. 50. 2 syllables or more ending with a Y makes that magic E sound. 51. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. Oh, Annie, keep moving. Oh, Annie, keep moving. We'll all spell number 1. Little line across. Little C, 1. Okay, now to write 151 in expanded form, we just write down what we hear in the words. 151. We hear the 100, 100 plus 50 plus 1. 100 plus 50 plus 1. Good. All right. Ooh, counting by tens to 250. I like this one. So we'll start at the 10. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, and I do not know where 250 is. And we're just going to pretend like that did not just happen. I don't know why it changed. All right, so we're going down to our part whole. We have a part plus a part is a whole. A part plus a part is the whole. A part plus a part is a whole. A part plus a part is a whole. So if I have a part, which is 19, okay, I know I'm going to add it to the other part, right? 19 plus, what's my other part? 1. 19 plus 1. Ooh, I know I can just count on 19 and one more. 19, 20, right? 2, 0 for 20, okay? And over here, I have a part whole, but this time I have the total, and I know what my total is. I'm going to put my total here, 20. 20. And I know that my part is 10, and I know when I'm adding my parts, I can put it in either place, right? I can put the 10 here, or I could put it in the other part or the missing part. I could put it here. Ooh, that's an addition double. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. Oops. Let's see if I can drag that back up. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. All right, now we're going to go up to place value, and my number is 151. So that means I have 1 in the hundreds. I have 5 in the tens place, and I have 1 in the ones place. Okay, so I'm going to draw one group of 100. So there's my 100, and I always label it as 100. So I remember that I have to have 3 place values, right? So 100 plus 5 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. No, I do not want an arrow. 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay, so I have 100 and 5 tens and 1 1. Okay, if I want to do 10 more or 10 less, I like to change my color when I'm showing that. Okay, and back on my pen. If I want to do 10 more than 151, I just need to add 1 more 10 stick, right? So my hundreds place stayed the same. I have 1 group of 100. I have 6 tens, and I have 1 1. So 10 more than 151 is 161. What is 10 less than 151? Well, we would take away that 10 stick and we would cross out. So 151, what's 10 less? We would take away a 10 stick. So then our 100 still stayed the same. I had 5 tens before. Now how many do I have? 4 tens. And 1 1. Okay, now we're going to go back up to even and odd. So if we have the number 151, remember we always look to the ones place to determine if a number is even or odd. So if it is 1, we're going to draw 1 dot up here. Okay, can we do partners for him? No. So that means he is an odd man out. He has no friend, right? So if my number is 1, 5, 1, 151, what number comes before 151, right? 151. My hundreds are going to be the same. I'll have 5 10s and 0 ones. So 150, 151. What comes after 151? 152. Okay, so the numbers that's in between, 151 is between the number 150, 151, and 152. 52. Okay, we're going to sing our coin song. A penny equals 1 cent, and I don't see any pennies. A nickel equals 5 cents. There's 5. A nickel equals 5 cents. A nickel equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. And that makes 10 cents to me. Here's another dime. And one more time. So it says match the coins to the value. So this group right here has a value of what? 5 cents. Good job. So it matches this one right there. Okay. Let's see. Here we have 10 and 10 and 5. So we're going to look at the value of the total of the 2 dimes and the nickel. Ooh, I know I can count by tens. 10, 20, 20 plus 5. That's kind of like adding expanded form. 20 plus 5, that's 25. Okay? And then 10 and 5. A dime and a nickel. A dime and a nickel is 10, and 5 more, 15. Good. All right. We are rocking and rolling our number of the day. I'm so happy that you guys are doing this with me. Thank you for watching with me. And I'm going to stop recording.